car inside. That's an invented one. There's 112 of them in the world.
We got the yellow RS.
2.6 mil.
It was an adventure to fix this. Oh yeah, we're in business. What's up, y'all? Hope you're having a shit one, because I know I am. So I originally had a whole video planned out. It was gonna be super sick, right? Originally, what I wanted to do is slam my car all the way on the ground, right? If you guys know Tay Wavy, he's another YouTuber. He has a Mark 7 and it's like stanced out, cambered, all that shit, and it looks hella good. So I was like, you know what? Watch me pop out this summer and do that. I wanted to make sure this was gonna work for the video, so I tested it first, and let's just say it didn't work. What Tay did is, it's super jank, but he took a spring out and just ran straight struts, and in his videos, it didn't look too bad. Like, I know it's gonna be bumpy, I know it's gonna be stiff, and I know it's gonna be low, so I did that, and it was hella low. I didn't rub on anything, and it was super stiff. I know it was gonna be stiff, but my back hurt for like 2 days straight, and that was not cool. Yeah, we're not doing that anymore. So what I'm doing right now is I just got it all put back together how it was, and now all my suspension is making noise, and super annoying, super loud, and yeah, I'm just pissed. So now I gotta like check that out, because I think I blew out all my bushings or something. Shit sucks. That's what I'm doing right now. So I'm gonna wait for Dean, because he's gonna help me try to figure out where the noises are coming from. I'll try to record what we find. I'm pretty sure it's my sway bar end link, because I kind of snapped the nut on that, but it's still tight. I didn't snap it, I stripped it. That might be the problem. It's still tight, so it shouldn't have came off, so I guess we'll find out. I'm gonna throw up a couple pictures right now of what my car looked like when it was just on the strut. Don't get me wrong, it looked so sick, but it was just so bumpy, like. And I was gonna put Swift springs on, but honestly, I'm scared to go any lower now, because I feel like it's just gonna ride like complete ass. So I might just keep it how it is, and then maybe get some 19-inch wheels or something. I don't know. I need this to look cool, because it's gonna be summer soon, and I'm trying to like pop out, you know. Also, in the last video, I never showed you guys my stars too much, but here they are. I low-key wish I kind of got more, because I think I got like 300 or 350, but I wish I would have got like 700, just because, like, I don't know. I mean, there's enough, but I just wish I got more, but I'm not doing that again, so I just have to stick with what I got. I've also been trying to get it tuned, because I'm still running downpipe, no tune. I don't think it's bad for the car, because everyone says it should be fine, but I'm just trying to go fast, you know, trying to gap these scat packs. All right, guys, so I met it with Dean.
Yo.
It was an adventure to fix this. I figured it was the sway arm bolt, because I think I stripped that bolt. So our dealership did not have a bolt, but one other dealership had a bolt and one other dealership had a nut. So I went to go get the bolts. I bought 2, right? And Dean comes back with another bolt. So we have 3 bolts and no nuts. We're gonna try to make the nut work, but yeah. So what we did was I replaced that bolt. I'm not sure if that would have been the cause, but I did it anyways. And then I just like readjusted the spring to see if it was like seated properly. We're gonna take it for a test drive and see how it is. Aired out.
We're on the test drive right now.
I think it's fixed, guys. Oh yeah, we're in business. You know, on my way here, there's a cop in that parking lot.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I was kind of ripping too. Nah, it's fixed.
Sheesh.
Let's go.
Put the Dean touch on there.
Dude, I thought I was gonna be screwed, because my TL did the same thing, and it needed like every bushing on the entire car fixed. So, and it was the same noise, so I'm glad it wasn't that.
Yo, you know an Indian guy owns that car?
Really?
Pretty sure.
The green G-Wagon.
Alien green G-Wagon.
The pimp wagon. So now what we're doing is I got the LED conversion for the headlights, because I got xenons and I hate them, so I got some bright ass LEDs. Put those in, we gotta drop the bumper, which kind of sucks, but what are you gonna do? I guess we're gonna get started on that. Yep. Alright guys, so we just took the bumper off. We put in the LED bulbs here. I got the old ones right here. These ones. And I got these LED ones. So now we're just putting it all back together. And I already tested it. Shit's bright as hell, so. Yeah, now we can see at night. I'm a fucking idiot. wasn't even spinning. I was like, why isn't it doing anything? Yeah, let's race this one up.
Oh, damn.
Damn, this shit's fire as hell in the dark. Why am I blurry?
Damn, bro. 10 McNugget meal, shamrock shake. God damn, you should have seen their order, dude.
Please have your rewards number ready. We will be with you in a moment.
Hello? Yeah. I just redlined my phone.
No.
What?
474 second window.
Bro, fucking yell, dude. Fucking jump scare. I usually tip that change, but it made me wait like 30 minutes for my fish sandwich.
It's been like 5 minutes.
I want to drive like an angry person.
Alright, what's cracking, guys? It is the next day. And today we're going to this, it's like a sick ass dealership. They got like Porsches, R8s. I think they got Lambos. I should be pretty sick. Right now we're going to meet up with Caden and Dean again. And yeah, so I guess I'll catch up when we get there.
Look at that car inside. That's an invented one. That is fucking sick. There's only like 250 of them in the world, I think.
And we got one.
Right here.
Guys, this shit's so pimp. Tell me which one I should buy. We got the yellow RS. This thing is so sick. Got the matching calipers. Sheesh. Yeah, this one's so hard. Also, that R8 is sick. I love R8s. So sick. It's just a GT3, but this one is so sick. This color. And it's manual. Damn. That's my dream right there. And this. So sick. And inside, they got some fire-ass cars, too. Look at that.
Alright, I did my research. There's 112 of them in the world. And that costs like 2.6 mil. Casually.
You can buy that.
Hell yeah. Bro, that's crazy. And the F8 Tributo in the back. I'm posting on my story. Go follow me. That's stock 335. You should tag me on that.
I will. I'll put my Instagram. It's going in the video.
I was just pre-planning for the shot you're about to see next.
It's too deep, how do I know about you? That's all me, little baby, that's all I do. Good sounds, get your ass by sundown, yeah.